The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Pepin County, Pierce County, Southwestern Dunn County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles east of Elmwood to 7 miles east of Prescott, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elmwood around 7:50 p.m. Eau Gallie around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bay City and Durand. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Pepin, and Pierce. The severe thunderstorm warning